Okay, usually when I get a rush, it just fluxes in. This is what we're going to talk about right now. And in the last video that I called Hocus Pocus A and E, okay, because A and E is the first letter and the fifth letter. It's 51 for Mars. It's 15 for 1/4 of time. 15 is the letter O. O is for water, and water is for aqueduct. Okay, it's funny the way they say duck and aqua, quack, quack, duck. Okay, yellow beak, yellow orange feet, green heads, fly south, all kinds of stories about the duck and the rabbit. They go together in Bugs Bunny. So we always have to go with the flow. You know, we're building something from what we already have. We have to understand that the A, okay, which is two things. It is the head right over here. You see the A, right? It's holding on to two cubes in its house, like two windows, the top of the house, right? This is the reverse. We're not showing the waist because the waist might just be the earth, the upper and lower part of the earth. Maybe there's a skin on the earth. Maybe that's why I just poured some hot water into a plastic jug, and the plastic jug went like this. So I'm thinking, if this planet warms up too much, okay, the helium balloon that's separating the two sides, I call the skins, okay, is going to start to show the other side. Okay, that's why we might hear noise from the other side, because that's what it's starting to tell me. You know, it's almost like here's Earth and here's Earth. Right, here's Earth, right? It's not round. It's two parts, right? You can probably put it together this way if you want, right? Oceans all around it. Suez Canal connecting two sides. You got to connect two sides, two different heights, the big canals, right? Because of two separation, the heights and the earth, different earth. So what we're going to show is this, okay? And this comes over here, and we get balance. We get balance by creating this, and this is your greatest diameter. This is your in-between and your greatest. This is your measurement, your transmission. So you get the T. Out of the A, you get the T. And when you do that, you actually put the line in the center too, because now we connect each side together. We get a line in the center when we do this, creating A and A, which is 7 and F, 76. 1 and 7, 1 and 6. 1 and 6 creates 7. Now, when we spoke in the last video, okay, in Hocus Pocus, okay, the one away from 8 is 6 is in between, okay? The one away from 8 here, okay, the 9 ball, the 1 ball in pool, this one, add 7, it equals 8. Minus 1, it equals 8. 7 and 1 is the doorway, 1771. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 plus 7 is 15, equals to 71. This has 6 in between, and this has 0 in between. 6 and 0 is our time. 6 equals 0. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 is on the other side. 9 becomes small, just like 3 becomes small. 3 and 3 is 6. 6 is on the same side as the 3. 3 and 6 on the same side. 1 is red, 1 is black. 1 equals 27. 1 equals 29, equals to 56. Equals to 30, 41. Creation. This is what you have. You have 7 and 6 here. 7 connecting, 6 in between. You have 1 and 0 here. 1, 0, 7, 6. 1076, 1776. 1 and 7 are equal. So change the 1 for a 7 now. Keep the 6 at a 0. 6 in between, none in between. Do you remember what I said? Now, if you want to do it in points and decimals, right, we'll actually get from 1.5, okay, 0.5 to 7.5, which is 15. Here we'll get 0.5, which is 1. This will equal a 6. This will equal 1. And I put decimals into it. Anyways, this is what it is. Raphael, if you didn't understand, please do not hesitate to ask. There are another video I will upload on some more numbers, because it just flows, man. When I touch the other side, if I'm telling you what's wrong, tell me what's wrong. I need to know how wrong and what's off, what you don't understand. We're a small group now. It's a time to learn before we start to expand, before we actually see more results. Actually, I'm seeing them already, but my word is your word. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.